Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine today. So, I welcome you once again for the social studies classes. As you know, today is 12th of July, and after a long time, we are going back once again for our daily routines. I hope you have a nice holidays and enjoyed a lot these days. So, I want to tell you a few things regarding your notebooks which I was checking. I found something that I want to tell you that you should be careful when we are going to write about the second notebook. Got it? So, first thing I want to tell you is about your handwriting. I found many of your handwritings are really worst. It is not a readable anything. I struggle a lot to check your notebook. I just want to remind you, please don't do it again in your second notebook when you are going to write. Please write very neat and clean. It should be readable. Otherwise, in the next time I will cut. I am not going to check it. Got it? You will not get anything. So, second point. So, I found many of your notebook or in workbook. So, writing was different. You have not written at all. It seems either it is written by any of your parents or your brother or sister, whoever else. Please don't do it again. It is not acceptable. If it is found next time in your second notebook, so you will be given a nice lecture for that. Third point which I want to tell you is about copied from the slides. So I found in the notebook you have just copied the things everything from the slides. So why you are wasting time on that? Don't copy it. So in your notebook you have to write only the practice question and its answer. That's all. And the rest of things you have to listen carefully. It is just to understand the your lessons in a good way. If you understand, then you will be able to do everything on your own. Got it? So please remember these 3 points, and I hope you will do best in the coming days. So let's start today's class. Right? Today is 12th of July, and this is the teaching video of Social Studies Block 9, Lesson Plan 1, Calendar. Let me ask you this question. When is your birthday? And how many times does your birthday come in a month? How do you know that? Right. Your birthday comes only once in a year. Right? It comes once in a year or twice in a year? Once in a year. It comes only once in a year. साल में एक ही बार बर्थडे आता है ना, दो बार नहीं आता है किसी का बर्थडे, राइट? And there is only one date that matches to your birth there. Okay, it is only one day that matches to your birthday in which you are born. I hope you have understood. We are on block 9, lesson plan 1. Our topic is calendar. This is our aim, students. You will be able to read calendar with months, dates and days. So these are the keywords that you should know it. Right? Next slide. Calendar means a list that shows days, weeks and months of a year, particular year. Month means one of the 12 periods of time into which the year is divided. And day is a period of 24 hours. Date, a particular day of the month or year. Week means a period of 7 days, especially from Monday to Sunday. That is known as week. And year, the period of 1st Jan to 31st December, that is known as year. Keywords, these are the keywords. Look at this. This is from your content book. So we are going to look at these lessons. This lesson, and this our topic is reading a calendar. So this is July's calendar. Look at carefully. How many days are in July? 31, right? So look at today's date is 12th of July. We write the date as month. We write the date as day, month, year. Understand? So if today's date is 12th July 2021, how we will write it? So we write it as 12/7/2021, right? We like this way only, na? Yes, because July is the 7th month of the year. Are you agree with me? Yes, it is the 7th month of the year, and we can find the month of our calendar on our calendar and then look for the number in that month. Okay, so just note down or copy this table in your notebook. We are going to do a small exercise activity. What you have to do is, first of you can divide yourself in a pair. After dividing in a pair, you have to read the passage content book. Lesson 1 topic is reading a calendar. Okay, this topic you have to read it. After reading that, so what you have to do is, you have to use the given calendar. I'll show you the calendar. Find the number of days in each month and write them in the given table. Okay, you have to find the days in each month and you have to write them in the particular table, and then we will match it whether you have written the correct or not. Write the dates of all Fridays in March and June separately in your notebook. Okay, so you have to write how many Fridays was there in March and how many Friday comes in month of June. Got it? Let's start today. So this is the question: how many days are there in each month? What are the dates of the Friday in March and June? So some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days. There are 28 days in February, but once in every 4 years there are 29 days in February. Got it? I'll show you in the calendar also. It's not moving. Let's move. Look at this. So January, how many days are there here? 1st to 31. There are 31 days. In February, 28 days. In March, 31 days. April, 30 days. And May, 31 days. June, 30 days. Just look at here. January 31, February 28, March 31, April 30 days, March 31 days, June 30 days. Look at about the Friday in March. When you look at the calendar, this is March. Sorry, I'll just increase the size. March 2018. How many Fridays is there? Look at from the 1st of March. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here is a Tuesday. It is Thursday and Friday. On Friday is 2nd. It is start from 2nd of March, Friday. So on which date it falls? 2nd, 9, 16, 23 and 30. किस किस डेट में फ्राइडे है? 2 तारीख में है, 9 में है, 16 में, 23 में और 30 में. Then count how many Fridays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Fridays are there. 5 Fridays in the March. And how many Friday in the June? Get here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 June Friday in June also. How many Friday? 5 Friday. I hope you have understood. But here it's written June 4 Fridays. It is wrong. You have to correct it. 5 Fridays. 5 Fridays in March and 5 Fridays in June. Now let me ask you, on which day does Children's Day fall in 2018? And what step did you follow to find out? You have to write that. how do we read a calendar? Let me tell you. This is the calendar of a November. So the circle which I have made here is a 14th of November, and Children's Day falls on 14th of November every year, right? So चिल्ड्रंस डे कब आता है? 14 नवंबर को आता है, और हर साल 14 नवंबर को ही मनाया जाता है, 15 से 15 नहीं होता है. गॉट इट? इट कम्स every year on 14th of November. Got it? Here is the answer. If you want to find a day like Children's Day, which is on 14th of November every year, and how do you find out? What are the way? So we first look at the month, then the date, and then the day on the calendar. So पहले हमने month देखा, select किया, and then we found the date, on which date it is found, and on which day it is found, right? I'll show you back. So it is 14th of November, and which day? On Wednesday. W-E-D, it is written, Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Got it? Last question. Does your birthday come on the same day every year, or does it change? If it changes, why? I'll repeat this question. I hope you have understood. क्या आपका बर्थडे does your birthday come on the same day every year? क्या आपका बर्थडे उसी दिन हर महीने में हर साल पड़ता है, एक ही दिन में पड़ता है? जैसे मान लीजिए आप योर बर्थडे इज फॉल्स ऑन फ्राइडे, राइट? So it will be Friday on every year. Does your birthday come on the same day every year, or does it change? Why? Let me tell you. Our birthday might come on a different day. It is not come on the same day every year, because the first day of the next year will start on a different day. So this year ends on, and so the next year is start on. So it will be different, right? That means everything will change. Let's see. Let me tell you how. Suppose this is the calendar of October. When we celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti, गांधी जयंती कब मनाते हैं? 2 अक्टूबर को मनाते हैं ना? ओके. तो 2 अक्टूबर 2020 में 2 अक्टूबर फ्राइडे को पड़ा है. मेरी बात समझ में आ रही? अंडरस्टैंड? So suppose 2 October falls on Friday in 2020. Let us check in 2021 in which day it fall. Here Gandhi Jayanti and 2nd October will come on which day? Friday, or here it is a Saturday. In the last calendar it is on Friday, and in the second calendar in October 2020 it will come on Saturday. That means our birthday will never be on the same day in each year, in every year. Got it? So जो डेट मतलब टुडे मेरा बर्थडे आज 2 अक्टूबर, सपोज 2 अक्टूबर मेरा बर्थडे है, और मैं मेरा बर्थडे बताऊंगा. मेरा बर्थडे 14th of October है, ठीक है? यहाँ 2020 में मेरा बर्थडे 14th अक्टूबर को मैंने वेडनेसडे को मनाया था, वेडनेसडे. नाउ इन 2021 I'm going to celebrate 14th October on Thursday. तो मेरा बर्थडे अभी थर्सडे में पड़ेगा 2021 में. Got it? So our birthday might come on a different day, because the first day of the next year will start on a different day. So this year ends on a particular days. That will the next year start on the another date. I'll tell you. Let me go the back to just summarize it. Yeah. Suppose January 1st है, ठीक है? January 1st 2020 को I'll tell you. January 1st 2020, it was on Wednesday. eh? So in 2020 it will be on some other day. 2021 it will be on some other day, I'll tell you. January starts here on 1st January starts on Monday, and the last day of this month, uh, 31st December, it is also end on Monday. Okay, but if you look at the January start here on Monday, but in 2019 it will be some other days. It will be not the same. Either it will be on the Sunday or Tuesday or any other day. Here, suppose here is a Monday, so it will be on the Tuesday. Look at here, January start on Monday and ends December 31st ends on Monday. Then the next January will come on the Tuesday, right? So the next 2020 it will come on Tuesday. Got it? So the year ends on Monday, and the next year will start on Tuesday. Got it? I hope you have understood. So इस साल का आखिरी दिन जो है मंडे को ख़त्म हो रहा है, तो नया साल जो है फर्स्ट डे शुरू होगा ट्यूसडे को. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. इट्स नॉट मूविंग. हाँ, या. So this is your bonus question. Please write down the bonus question. How many months are in a year? How many months are in a year? And this is your workbook that you have to do it. Filling the blanks and read the calendar for the given months and answer the question that follow. After reading the calendar, you have to answer these questions, right? So and this is your notebook question work. So you have to read the topic calendar, reading the calendar, and after that you have to complete the exercise worksheet of S1 which I have shown in the previous slide. And after that you have to do your practice question 1 and 2 in your notebook, second notebook you have to do, right? And you have to do in very good handwriting. Please look at this. Please remember this. Your handwriting should be very neat and clean and readable. Got it? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you is coming here. Okay. God bless you.